Everybody, I'm Dan. I have Dr. Bilski here with me. How are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Yeah.
Hopefully these guys are good too. So today's topic is non-metal implants.
Dental implants.
Yeah. So quite frankly, I didn't even know. I don't even know what the material is in the first place.
Yeah.
So
Zirconia.
Okay,
Zirconia,
so maybe just to get everybody else up to speed. See, what's nice about me, guys, is I'm like you. I don't know all the things. So let's talk about what there is and why there's a benefit of this one.
Typically, most patients have metal or titanium implants, like your knees and shoulders.
Okay.
What we're finding is that sometimes there is a show through from the gum, the metal. It's called the Tyndall effect, and it looks dark around the gum tissue. So there have been developments in technology and materials in zirconia, like a cubic zirconia diamond. This is a little different processing, and what we're finding out is that the body likes that better.
Okay.
So we've been using zirconia implants maybe for about 4 or 5 years in clearly the cosmetic smile zone areas. Can use it in the back. They're very stable. And what the research is showing is that the bone grows onto the implant itself, just like metal. The only difference is the gum tissue attaches to the zirconia, where the gum tissue does not attach to the metal implant.
So there's a lot of benefits.
There's a lot of benefits, and it looks better.
Yeah.
You don't have that show through.
Yeah.
That being said, there are some that are holistic in nature. You want to stay away from the metals. Totally get it.
Yeah.
Let's do the zirconia.
Right.
They only used to be one piece, meaning it's just one implant that goes in. Now with the technology advancing, we can put 2 pieces in. So typically when an implant had to go in sideways or crooked a little bit to align better, you couldn't use the zirconia. So now they have the 2 pieces. So if it's off just a little bit, we can put the post off of the implant. It's still white or tooth colored. And then we just put a tooth on just like you normally would.
There you have it, guys.
Yeah.
That's fantastic.
Yeah,
So if you guys are looking for implants, obviously Dr. Bilski's team has a variety of implants. Maybe the non-metallic ones are right for you. We hope to see you there soon. Thank you.